Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about how to do full outer join on MySQL. In my previous video, I've explained about inner join, left join, and right join. However, natively MySQL does not support full outer join, but there's a workaround to that which requires us to combine the result of left join and right join with union. I will use the same dummy dataset as what I have before. So on my left here, I have customers with customer ID as the main primary key. And here I have orders on the right side. It has the order ID and it has customer ID as foreign key that is connected to the customers table. We can see here there are customers who do not have an order. For example, the customer number 2 or Bob, he does not have any orders before. And vice versa, in the orders table, there is customer ID which is null. So we can assume that this is ordered by a guest, which is not registered in the system. Just to do a quick recap, if we just do a simple inner join customers and orders based on their customer ID, what we will get is just the intersection between the two tables, which means only the customers who have orders and vice versa, the orders from registered customers. And then if we change it to left join, what will happen is we will get the full result from the customers table. We can see all the customer names here, but we don't get a full result for the orders table. And if we do right join, the result is not complete as well. What we'll get here is there are missing customers here, but no missing orders. So how do we get around it? We can use this syntax and then just copy, put a union all. Let's try to put union all first and see what will happen. So the first statement here, we can put it as left join or right join, it doesn't matter. And then the second statement should be the other one. Means we are combining the result from both SQL query. In this case, we'll get duplicated rows. We can see here that Alice on laptop appears 2 times, Alice on laptop. You can clearly see there's a cut point here, right around the Eva number 5 here. She has 2 orders before, monitor and mouse. And this will be like the cut point, and the next results here will be the result from the right join or the second statement. How to fix this is fairly simple. Just change the union all to union distinct. Means it will only retrieve distinct rows. How to determine which one is distinct is when the columns are not duplicated. We see here the cut point again for the left join is right around here, Eva on mouse, and then the result from the right join, because all other rows have existed before, it only retrieves the missing customers. Because remember, for the left side of the equation on right join, the customers will not have the full result, but the orders will have the full result. So in this case, customers will have some nulls. And this is exactly what we want to have, means we want to retrieve all the information available, regardless the orders could be missing or the customers could be missing. That is all I have for you today. Hopefully this will help you. Subscribe for more tips.